Hey kids, Flexing Teacher Weber here. I hope you're having a good day. Just wanted to go over some of the things we did in math class today with small decimal numbers. Today we were once again writing decimal numbers in expanded form all the way up to the 10,000ths. Now expanded form is you break down the number into its digit and its place value. So if you take a look at this first number here, it's written in standard form right now, 6 and 124 thousandths. And to break that into expanded form, we start off with the first place value, the first digit, which is the 6, and it's in the ones place value. So we would write 6 times the ones place value. Plus, the next digit is a 1. We have a 1, and that's in the tenths place value, 1 over 10. And then plus, we have a 2 in the hundredths place value. And then finally, the last digit, we have plus 4 in the thousandths place value, 1 over 1,000. So we have 6 in the ones, 1 in the tenth, 2 in the hundredths, 4 in the thousandths. That's what writing a number in expanded form is. It's just breaking it into each of its place values. Let's look at another one. Sometimes we don't have a value in every place value. So in this one, we only have a number in the tenths and the thousandths. So to expand this one, we would do 1 times 1 over 10 plus 4 times, this one is in the thousandths, 1 over 1,000. And there's your number in expanded form. Now we also did numbers that go up to the fourth place value. So 17 and 2,983 10,000ths. So to expand this one, we would start off with the 1, which is in the tens place value. So 1 times 10. Then the 7 plus 7 times 1, it's in the ones place value, plus 2 times 1 over 10, plus 9 times 1 over 100, that's in the hundredth spot, plus our next digit after the 9 is an 8, 8 times 1 over 1,000, and then we also have a 3 in the 10,000th spot, plus 3 in the 10,000th spot. And the way I remember these is that the 3 is in the fourth decimal spot. So for 10,000ths, there needs to be 4 zeros. The 8 is in the third decimal spot. So there needs to be 3 zeros for thousandths. The 9 is in the second decimal spot for the hundredths. And the 2 is in the first decimal spot, so 1 0. There's that number in expanded form. That's a bigger one. Okay, last one. 7 and 3,006 10,000ths. So we have a 7 times 1 in the 1 place value, plus we have a 3 in the 10th spot times 1 over 10, plus we have a 6 in the fourth decimal spot, the 10,000ths. 6 times 1 over 10,000. 4 zeros because it's the fourth decimal spot. That's how you write numbers in expanded form. That's all the work we're looking at so far with decimal numbers, writing numbers in standard form, words, expanded form, all the way to the 10,000ths. We're going to do some review on this tomorrow, and then on Thursday, we will have a test on small decimals place value. I hope that helps. The students have 4 questions for homework today, but many of them finished in class. So I hope this video helps. That's all for now. Flexing Teacher Weber out.